Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to use the Bring a Trailer Auction Scraper by Parseford to automatically collect detailed vehicle auction data from Bring a Trailer. This actor collects comprehensive data from both live and ended Bring a Trailer auctions. It extracts vehicle details, current bids, auction status, seller information, bidding activity, comments, and historical data, all in a structured format. So, how does it work? The input is pretty easy. You just need a start URL. So to get it, you go to bring a trailer, and let's say you want location United States. Um, we'll leave the category. We'll have the range from 1990 to 2005, and we'll list premium. You can see there's a whole range of listings here. So we'll just copy the URL and paste it here. We'll include a maximum number of items, 100, and we'll run. We'll let the actor do its magic. After about a minute, you'll see the results in the Output tab. Each row represents an auction and includes details like make, model, year, current bid, reserve status, time remaining, and seller information. You can download the data as a CSV, Excel, or JSON file to analyze pricing trends, track investment opportunities, or build your own auction database. So, that's how the Bring a Trailer auction scraper works. This scraper is ideal for car collectors, dealers, and analysts who want real-time visibility into the Bring a Trailer market without a manual browsing. If you have any issues, please feel free to contact us. And if you like this scraper, please leave a review. Thank you.